Hello YouTube, I'm back with another review on the 2011 Land Yacht Switchblade. This board is 41 inches, 41.25 inches in length, and 10 inches wide, I think. This board has a 0.5 inch drop with a drop through truck mount option. My current setup is Paris, all black 180s, Venom tweakers, really slidey, really fun to break in. This board has a W concave to really lock your foot in, or W concave to really lock your foot in when you're throwing those rad stand-up slides or just wanting to go fast. You're not going to slip off this board. Personal opinion on the 2011 Land Yacht Switchblade is that it's too long. I don't like it. I'm going to go get another board soon as I sell this board. Yeah. And for you bigger people with longer legs, this is the board for you. It's really nice, but I don't like it. So anyone want to buy a 2011 Switchblade, contact me. Narcall.